Grouper, big dive day, hydration, let's go. I'll probably spit with you most of the time. Stone shot decently so you can get it. I can hear it sizzle on its way in, but it doesn't like boom. You know, it doesn't boom. Doesn't, you know, it doesn't like kill you. A good chef always cleans as he cooks. Honest review, it's good. You know, it's not that fish, but porgies aren't known for being that fish anyways. Definitely not the prettiest taco, but it's a taco. And of course, we're always thankful for our food. Cheers.